Hello, thank you for watching this YouTube channel. My name is Abdofeduconsult Falade. In this content, we shall look at how to compute the work hour, having given the start time and the end time. An analyst should be able to compute the work hour, especially the HR analyst, where you need to compute the work hour of your staff and their equivalent wages, maybe on a weekly basis or depending on the period you are using for your staff. So when you know the start time, when they clock in, and the end time when they leave, you can determine their work hour using the simple arithmetic equals to, you open parentheses, the end time minus the start time. Because we are computing based on 24 hours, 24 hours make a day, so you multiply the figure by 24. So if a staff should clock in 8 a.m. and should leave by 5:30 p.m., that means that staff has been able to work 9 hours 30 minutes. That's the 9.5. So the half there means half an hour. So the staff, because we computed it to 24 hours, so half an hour will be, 0.5 there, it should be 1/2. So that should be 9 hours 30 minutes. So that's the number of hours. So we can drag it down for others as well. So if someone should clock in the morning by 9:20 and that person leave by 6:15, so such a person has spent 8 hours and some decimals, which represent the fraction of an hour. So this is how to compute the work hour in a workplace, and I hope you'll be able to do that for your staff. So for this staff now, from Monday to Sunday, you can also determine the sum. You can use the auto sum or the shortcut alt equality sign, and you should be able to get the total, which is 60 hours. Now 60 hours with a fraction of 0.83. So this is how you can compute the number of work hours, and you can multiply by the amount you pay per hour. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.